Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video, very important video for the freshers who are going to attempt the Cognizant exam 13th, 14th, 15th November 2025. Okay, so in this video I'll cover instructions and what are the sections wise cutoff and sections wise exam pattern and complete information video, and as well as how to get the interview and how to get the offer letter and how to get the joining. Okay, so yeah, joining is nothing but like if you get the offer letter, then they are also in that offer letter they clearly mention the joining date, right? So that's not a issue. So how to get the offer letter, that is also important point to discuss for the freshers, because they are so much confused about the exam pattern, cutoff and interview mail. Okay, so that's why I'll make this video. Definitely it will be helpful for each and everyone. So please like this video. Before start this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any like and subscribe, so that's your bad, but who are like and subscribe, definitely those students is clear the exam, because it's my blessings or else pray for towards your exam, because I'm putting so much efforts. So that's why I'm asking, please like and subscribe. So let's get started today's video without any delay. So yeah, off campus hiring 2025. Just a minute. Off campus hiring 2025. Next, firstly let's discuss what are the shortlisted process. Yeah, I hope everyone is clear about the patterns, right? So now we'll discuss complete process. Firstly, registration is completed. Okay, registration is completed, the screening is completed, and you are receiving the communication assessment. Okay, so you are receiving the communication assessment. So in that communication assessment there is a topics. I'm already make that video, so if you want that video, then you can check my YouTube channel, the complete what are the articles, questions, fill in the blanks, some they will be playing some audio, then they will be saying that you just speak about that topic, whatever the audio you have listened. Okay, that is the first topic for the speaking. And coming to the second topic was, they are giving one topic, and on the topic you just speak about the about that topic. So that is the second. It's all about communication skills is enough. And the coming to the MCQs and fill in the blanks, there is a chat GPT will be there. So for that communication round you can use chat GPT, there is a no problem at all. But aptitude and coding, it will be rejected. Okay, so that is the main important point you have to remember. For that communication MCQs, you just use chat GPT, there is a no problem at all. Okay, so that is the first point. Next, coming to the important round was online assessment, aptitude and technical assessment. Okay, so few students is blindly fix about the pattern, okay, there is aptitude, there is a coding, but in this in technical assessment there will be the subparts. Okay, coding, SQL and web development related topics also there. Okay, so who are clear the online assessment, those students will be getting the offline interview, GenC Next, GenC Pro, GenC C. It's based on your performance. Okay, what is the performance? Suppose if you completed the web development as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then you are getting the some GenC Next chance. Okay, GenC Next is high package. Okay, but in that high package there will be the interview level of level also very difficult. So that is also major issue. So that's why if you clear the coding and you just attempt the web development, enough. Okay, enough to get the medium level of package. Because if you selected for the more package like web development and HTML, CSS, then the interview level will be very hard. Okay, on that time if there is any rejection, you will be regret. Okay, so that's the major point you have to remember in your mind. You just clear the coding and SQL, you just attempt the web development. Okay, that's enough. 4.5 LPA freshers package is enough, guys. Okay, if you concentrate about the high package, the level of interview will be difficult. Okay, so for the medium level of the interview, they will be asking some resume type of questions, oops concept, as well as some like encapsulation or encapsulation and in SQL topic they will be asking some how to write a query like this. Okay, it's a medium level. You have capability to attend the clear the interview as well. Okay, so that's why if you clear the SQL and coding section, you just attempt the web development. That's enough to get the interview mail. Okay, that's a GenC role, or else GenC role, mostly GenC role you will get, because last batch also we have cleared this exam, right? So that's why we have told you just coding SQL is enough to get the interview mail, but you just try to attempt the web development section as well. Okay, web development is completely for the GenC next people, but it's a high package, the level of interview is high, so there is a rejection chances also there. So that's why my concern was, if you are a fresher, you just concentrate about SQL and coding, just attempt the web development, you will get the interview mail for sure. Okay, so after that, letter of intent. Okay, I'm already posted in my WhatsApp group. Letter of intent will be receiving, that is the offer letter. In that offer letter also, if you are after accepting the offer letter, you will get the joining. Okay, that is a complete simple process to clear the Cognizant exam in the interview, as well as get the offer letter. So coming to the what is the subparts for the assessment. Okay, for the communication assessment, there will be the 58 duration was 58 minutes. Next, three sections will be there. Okay, in the three sections, reading and grammar, comprehension and listening, and speaking. I'm already make this complete metal platform communication assessment video. If you want, you can check my YouTube channel, you will get the complete video. Okay, you will get the complete video to clear the communication assessment. It's a normal exam, it's a completely medium level, it's non-elimination, but you have to perform well, because it's also some rejection chances also there. If you not clear the communication assessment, and don't be panic, it's a normal exam. After that, you will get the aptitude and coding and all, it's completely cutoff will be covered. Okay, so it's a normal exam, you just attempt the communication assessment, don't be panic. Okay, if you have any, like, candidates will receive email from Superset ID, and you can check the installation codes and audio quality, everything. Okay, so this is the second slide, and coming to the third slide is some instructions, and fourth slide was also instructions, and fourth, fifth, yeah, just a minute, let's discuss technical assessment importantly. Okay, so you can see, you can see technical assessment process. Cluster 1 Java. Okay, cluster 1 Java, cluster 2 Python, cluster 3 C Sharp. Okay, so in cluster 2 Python and SQL and cloud fundamentals. Okay, so there is a chances for cluster 2 was, if you are getting the Python, if you perform well in the cloud fundamentals and SQL and Python, then you have chances for GenC Pro or GenC Next. Okay, but the level of interview will be difficult, but there you will get the GenC Pro or GenC Next interview. Okay, so that is the important for the cluster 2, but cluster 1 is so much difficulty, because it's a Java, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. There is a huge number of topics and hard topics. Okay, and cluster 3 was C Sharp and SQL and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, same as a cluster 1 and cluster 3 same, but Java, here C Sharp. Okay, but who are getting the Python cluster, you have a high chances for clearing the high package as well. Okay, but you just focus on SQL and coding and cloud fundamentals, then it's simply clear. Okay, so that is the important for the technical assessment. Next, there is a duration was 120 minutes, three sections. If you want, you can take the screenshot, and you can also check your email ID. You will get the PDF like this. So coming to the during exam, so many candidates will be getting some technical issues. This is a very important point, because power issues, network issues, or else some other camera, webcam and mic, these are the some issues during the communication assessment. Also, so many issues will be there, but you can see there will be they are giving the helpline numbers as well as support mail. metal support mercer.com. You just take the screenshot. Suppose if if anyone have issues, technical issues, then you can go directly mail them or call them. They will be respond to your issue. Okay, so don't be panic. So before end this video, I'll tell you again cutoff and there is a cutoff and selection process will be there, right? So I'll tell you clearly, so you just listen like without any disturbance. Okay, so aptitude assessment, coding assessment, and that means technical assessment. Here communication assessment is normal level of normal level of screening assessment. There is a no problem at all. They check your communication skills. So here there is a no particular cutoff. Okay, there is a no particular cutoff. They just 50% of students communication skills, that's it. Okay, there is a no particular cutoff for the communication assessment. Okay, so coming to the aptitude assessment. So guys, in aptitude section there will be the like I'm already told you, profit and loss, time and distance. These are the tables, and yeah, I can also show you aptitude pattern, then you can understand. Just a minute, I think. Yeah, here. Yeah, you can see the aptitude assessment duration was 80 minutes, two sections, right? So quantitative aptitude, analytical and logical reasoning, these are the two important topics to clear the aptitude assessment. So firstly, in this aptitude section, 80 minutes, two sections. In this two sections there is a sectional cutoff. Okay, at least 75% cutoff will be chances, because there is a huge competition off campus hiring. So 75 to 80% cutoff will be there in aptitude section. Its a duration was 80 minutes, two sections. It's not easy. It's a medium level of questions will be there, so you must pass the aptitude assessment. Okay, then only you will be considered for the technical assessment. Okay, so after technical assessment there will be the cutoff for the technical assessment. I'm already told you there is a two coding questions, two SQL questions, as well as if you are a Python cluster, there is a cloud fundamentals. If you are a Java, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these are the topics for the web development and Java section and SQL section. Okay, so in that you must pass two coding questions completely. Okay, you must pass two coding questions completely. In SQL section you must pass two SQL queries perfectly. Okay, so in web development there is a no need to pass web development to get the interview. If you pass coding and SQL, then you will get the interview mail for sure. Okay, so again I'm told you, if you pass two SQLs, two codes, then you will get the interview mail for sure. If not, you can come to my YouTube channel. You can unsubscribe and you can go, well, and then you can just leave it for my YouTube channel. Okay, if you pass two coding questions, two SQL questions, you will get the interview mail for sure. Okay, so that is a important cutoff. Next, web development is a not a necessary for everyone, but if you are interested, then you can attempt. Okay, that's completely your wish. Okay, so that is the technical assessment cutoff. And coming to the interview, GenC interview was resume. Whatever the programming language you have mentioned in your resume, they will be asking resume questions. Later your final year major project and OOPS concept, and they are checking your communication skills. If everything is good, you will get the offer letter. The cutoff was for the interview, if they ask 15 questions, you must answer 10 questions with confidence, with communication skills, then you will get the offer letter. Okay, I hope everyone is clear, right? So yeah, if my video will be sometime if my video will be when I am during the video, if I am doing any mistakes, so please forgive me. And if you concentrate about my suggestions and cutoff and patterns and target to clear the exam, definitely you will clear the exam, interview, offer letter, and you will get the offer letter. Okay, so that's pretty sure. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear about the process and all. definitely my suggestions and my instructions, everything will be helpful and to clear the exam. So I hope everyone is clear about the process, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's all about for today's video, guys. If you like our YouTube channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.